Indulge in a hearty Italian classic lamb ragu, which I've levelled up into a classy, creamy pasta bake, perfect for when company comes around or for a great family dinner. It's a dish that's so incredibly delicious, yet relatively few people have taken the opportunity to try it. So let's change all of that and get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. Heat the olive oil in a medium heavy bottom pot or Dutch oven over a medium heat. Add the onion, carrots and celery and sauté for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the vegetables begin to brown. While they're softening, we can lightly crush the fennel seeds, just to break them open, not to pound them to a dust. Add the crushed fennel seeds to the pot. And the garlic. I love the smell of aniseed as the fennel heats through. Now we can add the lamb. Cook for 8 minutes or so and break the lamb mince up with a spoon until it's no longer pink. It's seasoning time, so add the oregano and the red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's liquid this baby up, first with the tomato paste. And the tinned tomatoes. And the wine. Do feel free to have a glass yourself if you're of age. I certainly am. Use a decent full-bodied wine for flavour and give the pot a stir. Cooking is so much easier with wine. Wait, where am I? Oh yeah. Bring this to the boil, lower the heat and simmer, mostly covered, for 40 minutes, stirring every now and again. Now you could stop there and reduce it a little further, as this makes a fantastic ragu that you could stir or layer on ribbony pasta. But we're going to take this a little further because we're making a fabulous pasta creamy bake. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs and the cream. Oh look, I always manage to get at least 1 piece of eggshell in there. I'll have to go and fish that out now. So preheat the oven to 170 degrees centigrade, and whilst it's heating, cook the rigatoni according to the directions on the package. Between you and me, it's basically salted water, we both knew that. We only want the pasta to be just al dente and then drain it. It'll finish cooking in the oven. Once your tiny whisk has done its job, add the rigatoni and toss well. My bowl's on the small side, so I'm transferring this to the casserole dish to mix in the rest of the ingredients. So add half of the grated mozzarella and stir it in. Add the lamb mixture and stir that in. You can add additional seasoning if you think it needs it. Sprinkle with the parmesan and the remaining mozzarella and arrange it on top. Bake in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the sauce is hot and bubbling and some of the pasta is crusty on top. That's my favourite bit. You can sprinkle parsley evenly on top to be fancy, but definitely serve this hot. Come on, who wouldn't love either the ragu or the completed pasta bake? It's delicious. So if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up and subscribe? There's lots more recipes on this channel, and maybe leave a comment on what you'd like to see me cook next. So until next time, ciao Bellas.